ये कैसा टेस्ट है तुम्हारा? ये करते हैं टेस्ट? चलो तुम्हारी मैम के पास। मैम ये देखिए, ये क्या है? ये क्या टेस्ट किया बच्चे ने?
Shaida, test was not a piece of cake for her. It
मैं
was
क्या
difficult.
केक? इसको केक खिलाओ? क्या दूं? ये केक खाने के काबिल है? इसने टेस्ट नहीं अच्छा
Shaida,
किया।
a piece of cake means easy. It
Oh.
means test was not easy for her. Test उसके लिए आसान नहीं था. Okay बेटा, break a leg next time.
क्या ब्रेक अलग? क्या उसकी टांग तोड़ूं? क्या करूं?
नहीं नहीं, मेरा कहने का मकसद है ब्रेक अ लेग का मतलब होता है कि फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम गुड लक. ठीक है, गुड लक फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम. I welcome to all of you in the 6th episode of my first session of English language course, Learn and Speak English. And today I am going to tell you how can you make your dialogues more powerful, more impressive, more expressive by using idioms. So let's start our video. Annie, I have got the job. So I am very excited. I am extremely happy. Good, but you should say, I am over the moon. I have got job, so I am over the moon. Over the moon? चांद पर? चांद पर क्यों? मुझे तो जॉब मिली. Over the moon means I am extremely happy. I am very happy. You should say, I have got the job. So I am over the moon. Okay? Over the moon means I am very excited. I am very happy. Okay? You should use idioms instead of basic English. I was very ill yesterday, so I couldn't come. But today I will come. You were ill. You should say, I was under the weather. Under the weather? Under the weather means क्या है? Under the weather means I was ill. You should say I was under the weather instead of I was ill yesterday. Okay? So it's cool to say I was under the weather. My father loves me a lot and I also love him a lot. If you want to say that my father loves me very much, you should say, I am apple of my father's eye. Will you come quickly? I am in trouble. You are in cold water? No, I'm not in cold water. I am in trouble. In cold water is an idiom. It means you are in trouble. Okay? In trouble. It means in trouble. कि अगर आप मुश्किल में हैं और आप किसी को बुलाना चाहते हैं तो आप कहें will you come quickly? I am in cold water. Okay? Cold water means I am in danger. I am in a critical situation. Okay? I am in trouble. Aisha and Fiza both were fighting in the class. It was just a drama. You should say it was just a storm in a teacup. Storm in a teacup? Chai mein tufan? A storm in a teacup means unnecessary drama. Okay? I have done my job. Now it's up to you to come with me or not. You should say the ball is in your court instead of saying it's up to you. The ball is in your court. What does it mean? The ball is in your court means that it's up to you. Okay? Now I have done my job. Now it's up to you. It's your decision. Okay? I hope this episode will be enjoyable for you. Yes, I enjoyed a lot. Use these idioms in your daily conversation and make your dialogues more powerful. Okay? So now it's the time to say goodbye. Okay, bye.